Define heat on the basis of kinetic energy.
The sum of kinetic energy of all the atoms or molecules in a substance is called heat energy.
Define temperature on the basis of kinetic energy.
The average kinetic energy of all the atoms or molecules in a substance is called temperature.
What are the two factors on which amount of heat depends?
Amount of heat depends on average kinetic energy of molecules of a body and mass of the body.
Define 1 calorie heat.
The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called 1 calorie heat.
Write the relation between joule and calorie.
1 calorie equals 4.2 joules.
The SI unit of heat is joule and CGS unit of heat is calorie.
Write the working principle of thermometer.
Thermometer is based on the principle thermometer expands on heating and contracts and cooling.
What is anomalous expansion of water? The unusual behavior shown by water between 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius is called anomalous expansion of water. At what temperature water has maximum density and minimum volume? At 4 degrees Celsius.
Why is mercury used in thermometer?
Mercury is a good conductor of heat.
Mercury doesn't wet glass.
Mercury is opaque. So it can be clearly seen in the capillary tube.
Mercury has low specific heat capacity.
The boiling point of mercury is 357 C and freezing point of mercury is 39 C.
Write the boiling point and freezing point of alcohol. The boiling point of alcohol is 78 C and freezing point is 117 C.
Define specific heat capacity.
The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram mass of substance by 1 Celsius is called specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity of water is 4,200 J kilograms. See, what does it mean? It means that 4,200 joule of heat is required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram mass of water by 1 degree Celsius. Water is used to cool hot engines of vehicles. Why? Water has high specific heat capacity and it can absorb large amount of heat from hot engines.
Write the advantages of high specific heat capacity of water.
Water is used to cool hot engines of vehicles. Water is used in hot water bags. State principle of calorimetry.
Principle of calorimetry states that heat lost by a body is equal to the heat gained by the cold body neglecting the heat lost to the surrounding.
Write the boiling point and freezing point of water in Celsius scale.
The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius.
Define heat equation.
The heat lost or gained by a body is equal to the product of mass, specific heat capacity and change in temperature.
Write the range of temperature of clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer.
clinical thermometer can measure the temperature in the range of 35 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius.
The laboratory thermometer can measure the temperature of -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius.
The SI unit of specific heat capacity is joule per kilograms degree Celsius, J kilograms C.
If water at 4 degrees Celsius is heated or cooled, volume of water increases. The liquid used in thermometer is colored thermometric liquid. Example: mercury, alcohol.
The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin.
Absolute zero is denoted as 0 K on the Kelvin scale, minus 273.15 C on the Celsius scale. The days are very hot and nights are very cold in desert. Why? The specific heat capacity of sand is less, so it is heated fast in day and cooled fast at night. A bucket full of water has more heat energy than the burning matchstick.
It is because bucket full of water has more mass, and amount of heat energy depends on mass of a body.
The body temperature of a normal person is 37 degrees Celsius. The clinical thermometer is jerked before use. Why?
The clinical thermometer is jerked before use to return mercury to the bulb.
Water and sand are heated with equal amount of heat, which will have more temperature. Why? Sand will have more temperature because water has more specific heat capacity than that of sand. Alcohol thermometer cannot be used to measure the temperature of boiling water. Why?
Alcohol thermometer can not be used to measure the temperature of boiling water because the boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius, but boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.
Thank you for watching.